Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mix zinc oxide eugenol cement. Achieving the correct consistency is crucial for its effectiveness in various dental applications. We'll walk through the precise steps, from preparing your materials to the final spatulation, ensuring you get a reliable and consistent mix every time. This method helps maximize the cement's properties for patient care. Begin by dispensing 1 level scoop of zinc oxide powder onto a clean, dry mixing pad. Next, place 1 drop of eugenol liquid directly adjacent to the powder, not on top of it. This separation allows for controlled incorporation. Use a sturdy metal spatula to gently gather a small portion of the powder into the liquid, starting the mixing process carefully. Gradually incorporate the remaining powder into the eugenol liquid using small increments. Employ a broad, sweeping motion with your spatula, pressing the mixture against the pad to ensure all particles are wetted. This technique helps eliminate air bubbles and creates a homogeneous mix. Continue spatulating until the cement reaches a smooth, putty-like consistency that can be easily rolled. To confirm the correct consistency, lift the cement with your spatula. It should form a peak and not string excessively. This indicates it's ready for immediate application. Remember, zinc oxide eugenol cement has a limited working time, so apply it promptly. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.